Happy Wednesday, first graders. We're going to be working on our math today, page 311 and 312. We'll start up top. We're just going to be adding some numbers together. So we'll start here. In the ones column, we have 4 plus 6. Well, we know that equals 10. So remember, our 0 goes down below, and our 1 just goes right up top here. Just carrying the tens place over, we have 1 plus 7, we know is 8, plus 1 more gives us 9. Perfect. And then there's 3 more of those for you to do on your own. And then we're going to work on this fruit here. So it fills in the first one for us of 18 cents. And let's see, the banana we can see is worth 30 cents. And we'll add in our ones column first. So if we have 8 plus 0, we know that is 8. And if we have 1 plus 3, we know that is 4. So 48 cents. And if we purchased an apple and a banana together, it would cost us 48 cents. And if we go on to the next one, a pear. So we can see here a pear is worth 15 cents. And an apple is worth 18 cents. And we're adding those together. So we'll start in the ones column here. We have 5 plus 8. Well, we know that is 13. So our 3 goes here, and then our 1 will just carry over. And so we have 1 plus 1 plus 1. So we know that is 3. So if we bought a pear and an apple together, that would cost us 33 cents. And then we just have some greater than or less than here. So we'll start with the first one on your page, 75 and 59. So remember, our friends are so hungry that they want to eat the biggest number, so their mouth eats the biggest number. So we have 75, 59. We know that we're going to draw the mouth towards the 75 because it is the bigger number. And on the next one, we have 390 and 309. So if we look, the hundreds column is the same, but the tens place here is different. So there's more value in the tens place here with the 9 than there is with the 0, so we know 390 is larger. So again, we're going to draw our symbol 2 with the mouth open to the biggest number, so 390, and we know that this says 390 is greater than 309. And for the next one here, we have 236 and 251. We can see that the hundreds place is the same. So if we move to the tens place here, we have 3 and we have 5. And we know that the 5 is a larger number, and so we're going to draw the mouth open to the larger number here of 251. So this says 231 or 236 is less than 251. And then there's just a couple more for you to do on your own there. And on the next page here at the top of the baseballs, it just says, write the differences, use the baseballs to help you. Okay, and then we'll move on to our story problems here. It's kind of a new concept, so I'll read them for you. It says, during 3 days of vacation, Alex built model cars. The first day he built 1 model car. Each day after that, he doubled the number that he built the day before. How many model cars did he build on the second day? So we'll start. We know that on the first day he built 1. And we know that on the second day he doubled the amount. So we know that for the answer, we know that he built double the amount than the first day. So how many model cars did he build the second day? Well, we can see he built 1 on the first day and he doubled that number. So we're going to write the same number again. 1 plus 1, we know equals 2. And we can see here in the pictures that they give us, the first day he built 1, then he doubled that, and the second day he built 2. So we have our 2 here. And for the next one, how many model cars did he build the third day? Well, we know that on the second day he built 2. And then he doubled that. So then he doubled it there, equals, and we can see that on the third day, he built 4. So 2 plus 2 equals 4. And for the next one there, number 3, it says, what is the temperature? And I'll show you here on mine. You can see that the red line goes all the way up to the 20. So we will count from 0, 10, and it is right at the 20. So 20 degrees. And number 4, just kind of some review. It says 1 pound equals how many ounces? So remember in class when we had the spoons, it was 1 spoon was 1 ounce, and the baggie of spoons was 1 pound. So how many spoons did it take to equal that 1 pound? So 1 pound is 16 ounces. And on the next one, let's see, 1 week equals how many days? So we know that 1 week long is 7 days. There's 7 days in a week. And for the next one, 1 quart equals how many pints? So we have 1 quart here equals how many pints? So we can see 1 quart, how many pints? So it kind of cuts it in half. So 1 quart equals 2 pints. And on the very last one, we have our ruler here. 1 foot equals how many inches? So you can see here, this ruler is 1 foot, and how many inches is in 1 foot? We can see there is 12 inches in 1 foot. All right, and that's all for your math. Hope you guys have a great day.